Okay, so what we're doing is that Ellen's writing a paragraph for what we're doing, and then what we're doing is that we're going to put it on Weird. And so each group has two partners, and they're each working on paragraphs. And so people are just like working on it.
Excellent. And already you have some things you've done there already too, huh? Let me see that one.
We actually have to erase this one for other people because other people are working on it.
Okay. I see some over here for the problem for homeless people, right?
We're working on the problem. Some people are working on solutions.
Yeah. So that's good because you need to identify that problem first, right? Oh, that's excellent.
Are doing why it's important. And then other Kaylee's doing this one.
Okay.
Christian's doing this one, I think. Yeah, because it has Nathan is going to do that one, I think. Noah's going to do number 8. And London, I think he's going to do. I think
London's doing the very last one.
This one right here.
Good. Thank you so much. I'm going to share this. Okay. I'm gonna let some of the other students in other classes see this too because they're having a hard time. You guys understand it perfectly. Thank you.